How to merge videos in Reelshot. Want to combine clips into one smooth video? Here's how to merge videos in Reelshot on your iPhone. Tap Create and import your first video clip. Once it's loaded, tap Add Clip on the timeline to select additional videos from your camera roll. Arrange the clips in the order you want by dragging them along the timeline. You can trim or edit each clip before finalizing the merge. When ready, save your project to export as a single merged video. Do you usually merge multiple takes or just edit one clip? Share it in the comments below. Make sure all clips are the same resolution for the best quality merge. And that's how you can merge videos in Reelshot. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.